Stairs than it did to actually clean. And guess what? They didn't get any of the stuff out that we're getting out today.
And guess what? We're here and they're not.
They got replaced as soon as somebody came along to get out clean them, and it wasn't very hard either.
No. We didn't even work hard to take the business. We just did one apartment and got a stain out that 3 services couldn't get out. 2 services.
But if you want to move,
that was how we got this complex.
If you want to get this apartment cleaned in 15 or 20 minutes, you can do it. You can skip your pre-vacuuming. You can just run over with a wand real quick, and you can get out and get on to the next one. You made a lot of money that day.
I hope you're one of those kind of guys, because if I find out where you're at and you're in my area, I'll come and take your business from you.
Well, that's the problem. You're going to lose your repeat business.
You bet.
It's hard enough to get customers initially, but if you don't hang on to them and you can't keep them, then you got to keep going through all the work of generating new customers all the time, and that's terrible. And referrals are a lot better, and repeat customers are a lot better because they already like you.
If you're the kind of guy
they already know what you do.
That's carpet cleaning, you don't vacuum, I want to know where you live because I want to come to town and take all your business. I'll rip every one of your customers from you. That's the goal. Well,
if you leave something on the table, someone else is going to grab it. That's just the way it is. So.
And I'm hungry. If I make $1 million, I want to make $1.5 million. There's not enough money in my pocket to make me satisfied. I'll take your business if you give me an opportunity. So you best do good work.
Yeah, just take your time, and if it takes longer than you hoped it would to get a job done, do it right. That way the customer's happy. And don't just try to make your quick money, because making quick money is not going to help you in the future. It's only going to help you today. And you'll spend that money fast. Next thing you know, you'll need more work, and you're not going to get anybody calling you back because you did a shabby job. So.
And remember, there's guys like us all over the country. You're not safe.
No, we're on YouTube, so you can see us, but there's hundreds and hundreds of people like us, and they don't put videos up, so you don't know they exist.
If you do bad work, you're not safe. You will lose your business to somebody like us.
Well, I'd love to say it's over, but it's not over because we got to do the hallway and the other building.
We can.
But I'm not going to video anymore.
We don't need to video that because it's not dirty. But they've seen the dirty carpets get cleaned. And now, when it comes to this here blending in, you can come in here with that camera. I'm not sure how blended it is, but I know it's way better than it was.
It's hard to tell with the lighting and everything.
But the
carpet's more fluffy where he worked it more.
This is where the blend, where the separation was, and it's not perfect. It's not going to be.
If you want to make it look better, just go over that whole area real quick.
No, because I done went over it. It's going to do what it's done.
When we have a chance, we're going to post vacuum. We got to take some furniture dents out at a separate time. We're going to post vacuum and rake and all that, and we'll be able to tell the final results how it came out. You can't always tell while you're at the job. You got to give it some time to set up. Anyway. I'll put a link in the description for the Oreck and the bonnet, so you can go get more information on that. And
there you go.
That's pretty much all there is to it. It's not hard. It can take a little time once in a while, but it's not hard at all. Get a decent quality vacuum. It doesn't have to be the world's best, but just get a vacuum that actually picks stuff up. Vacuum your carpets really thoroughly. That's the most important thing. And then go to town with an Oreck Orbiter, and you can clean almost anything.
Well, nice to do the video for you. Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.